Okay, so this is going to let you know a little bit about what you're going to do to create your Adobe account. You get actually a free account for 60 days. So what you need to do is you need to type in your first name, last name, mcusd2.com, and then once you hit that, it will send you an email to your school Gmail account, because it's only your school Gmail that will let you in. So you have to make sure you go to your school Gmail once you get it downloaded, and then it's going to ask you to verify your password. So once you do that, it's going to say continue, continue. Oh, I forgot to put my password in. Continue. Now once you finish this, then you should be able to actually download. I don't want to turn on two-step verification. You can do that if you'd like. So once you get here, under your account, your Adobe account, you can download any of the programs to get your desktop version. You've got Photoshop, Acrobat, Illustrator, Premiere, and InDesign. So all you have to do is click download app and it will download to your desktop. And then you've got that to use free for 60 days. After 60 days, it'll automatically turn off. So just FYI. But you have Adobe, so if you'd like to work on any designs at home, feel free. Thank you. Bye.